This is lint exhaust removal 101. I have my drill hooked up. Okay, any drill will do basically. It's not the smaller one, but this next one size up. Not the big one either. And I've taken this thing and I've cleaned it out already. I've done a couple passes. Oh, it's like a baby giving birth. What you do, you take it and you spin it slowly. And this goes all the way up. I gotta put the camera down.